Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're taking a look at a brand new line of cases for the iPhone XR from Xdoria. This is the Air Defense, rugged protection and stylish look for your iPhone XR. Now, it's no secret that the iPhone XR is one of the most popular iPhones on the market today. It's well priced, it's well balanced in features and function, and let's face it, it's kind of like the best one to buy. So if you have an iPhone XR or you're planning to get one and you want to pair up a great phone with a great case, then you're going to want to check out these cases that we're going to take a look at from Xdoria. Xdoria makes some really durable cases that are going to protect your phone from scratches, from cracking the screen, and also they're non-yellowing. All of them have 10-foot drop protection, and they look absolutely amazing. So let's take a look at these 4 cases that you see here. And in addition to taking a look at the fit and finish and how they look on your phone, we're going to do a wireless charging test because, you know, it should work as well in that area too. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now let's take a look at all the features and why you're going to want to consider these cases for your iPhone XR. So the first thing we'll take a look at here are the features that are being highlighted. So a couple of things that you'll find. All of them are certified to work with wireless charging, and this is really important because, you know, this is one of the most convenient ways to charge your iPhone. The next thing it has a redirection system, as you can see right here, that we're going to see when we put it on our phone. That's going to redirect the sound of our speakers. Instead of coming downward, it's going to come upward. So that's a really nice feature as well. Certified drop protection, again, up to 10 feet. And this is really important, especially if you want to keep your phone secure and damage-free. And then it's made out of clear protective materials, high-quality materials that are going to be non-yellowing, and they're going to be resistant to usage, scratches and all those things that our phones run into every day. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing of each one of these. We're going to see how they look. We'll see all the sizing, screen protection, and we'll look at the wireless charging as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Defense. So we have all the colors available today, and we have a beautiful red, teal, black, and a silver. As we take a look at these, we'll go ahead and pop out this little cover that we have here. The one thing that you'll notice is that very rigid on the sides. So notice as I try to squish them right here, really can't be squished. Has really nice combination of materials. So like a polycarbonate back with TPU on the sides, but really, really strong. Let's go ahead and put it on our phone and see what it looks like. All right, so I went ahead and snapped in a iPhone XR here, and check it out. This looks really nice. So great screen protection going all the way around, right? And on the sides, you'll notice that the buttons really well positioned, responsive. Here you see the cutout is pretty deep here, but still reachable. And I don't really have long nails. You'll notice how on the back, you have kind of like this grip section right here with ridges, which I like. It has a pattern, a real interesting pattern. So it's not, I don't want to call it straight see-through. There's kind of like a pattern there that makes it look pretty sharp. Camera protection, I think it's pretty fantastic. You can see that in an angle right there, how that looks. On the bottom, you see the cutouts. And you do see that here you see that speaker, the audio piece that's being redirected upwards. So I like that. And let's see what else we got. Let's turn that off for a sec. Yeah, here you have power button, feels good too. Yeah, all in all, this is a really good looking case. And I love the treatment going all the way around with the red. Let's go ahead and see how this charges. We're going to put it right here in the charging case. And you saw it charged immediately. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the teal. So we have the teal version here. We're going to go ahead and slap in our iPhone XR in. Very simple to do. And again, it's going to have the same features. They're exactly the same case. So everything has some really great protection all the way around. And when you look at the back, I like this one. This is interesting. I didn't see this with the red one. The teal kind of moves upwards. So you have your phone, half of it is clear, and then half of it is teal. Can you guys see that? That looks sharp. This is my favorite right now. All right, and then it has all the same side effects. So we're going to go ahead and put it to charge. And this one charges as well. Now next in the lineup is the black one, and I have to say the black one also has that kind of smoky feature that's going up and down. You can see it right here, how half of it is clear and the other half has kind of like a smoked effect. We're going to go ahead and put in our iPhone XR in there. Slap it in place. Yeah, I'm digging this one too. Look at this. Love the way the black comes up on the sides here, and then it goes into clear. And then when you flip them over, check that out. That looks really sharp. Same features when it comes to all the protection. It just looks, it looks hot. I love the, again, the teal and the black. And I don't know if that's going to be true for the silver. I think the silver one is going to be just like the red one. I wish they did the same thing for the red one. Let me know in the comment area below, because Xdoria is watching the channel. So if you think that the red should have the same treatment where it kind of fades up like this, let us know, because I know they're watching. Let's try the charging. And it charges as well. All right, so the last one we're going to take a look at is the silver. So take a look at the silver here. Very similar to the red one, where it's clear all the way up, but you do have that silver treatment on the side, and you have the same type of protection. In the front, you'll see how it's nice and clear. And if we try the wireless charging, it's going to work as well. It charges. So guys, that concludes our review of this brand new line of cases from Xdoria. Again, this is the Defense Air for the iPhone XR. And let me know which one you thought was your most favorite case. I'm leaning towards the teal. I love that transition look. Let me know what you thought in the comment area below.